Start crypto trading on Binance. Trade anywhere, anytime. Success comes if you believe in yourself. Trade smart, earn more. Your future wealth starts with the choices you make today. Links in the description. Sign up now, it takes just 2 to 5 minutes. Start with only $1, learn fast, earn faster. Futures trading is extremely risky. You could lose your entire investment in seconds. Stick to spot trading, it's safer and easier for beginners. Success comes if you believe in yourself. Self-belief fuels motivation, resilience, and the confidence to pursue goals, even when faced with challenges. With Binance Spot Trading, you stay in control, no leverage, no surprises, just real crypto ownership. Your phone is your office, always with you, no stress, just opportunities. Profit from the comfort of your home office. No more traffic jams, no more rushing, just stress-free earnings at your own pace. Success is a bullish trend. It's built from steady momentum, small steps, lessons from dips, and the courage to recover. Like a rising crypto chart, every gain, no matter how small, pushes you closer to the breakout. Start now, adjust on the way, and let your consistency shatter resistance. Links in the description. Sign up today, start learning, and start earning. You can begin with just $1, your journey starts now. Binance.
Links in the description. Sign up today. Earn rewards and build a brighter future. It takes just 5 minutes to get started. Don't forget to hit like, drop a comment, and share this with your friends. Spread the knowledge.